guys, it's Haleycreates, and today I'm going to do a little bit of a mix-up. You guys haven't really seen this side of me as far as soccer goes, so I might be doing a little bit of vlogging. I'm going to take you guys to my goalie training and see what you guys think. I'm just putting a disclaimer. I am not good. I am not the best. I'm not even close. So just putting that out there. You guys can see me kind of like mess around and stuff. Well, not mess around, I'm serious, but you know, just like doing my thing. And I don't know, like honestly right now my side is hurting so bad because I get the worst, like not like cramps, but like I don't know, I just have issues and stuff. So every month I have like the worst day of the month and it just sucks like really bad. So I don't know, I just took medicine and I think I'm going to put the hot pack on because I really want to do my best today as always, but I only have goalie training one day a week, so I really want to put everything into it like I always try to do. So yeah, I'm just going to try to fix it because I don't want to waste today, and I have a game this weekend, so you got to get in that practice, and yeah, maybe I'll show off for you guys. Don't know. So yeah. The OOTD is just this wrestle shirt, some Adidas shorts, and some Adidas socks. So yeah, that's the OOTD. And of course my face is beat even though I'm going to practice because you never know who you're going to see at practice. I have seen my ex, I have seen some, and I have taken so many pictures at practice. Like they'll just be like, picture time. I am not going to be on social media looking like a clown. Actually, no, I look like a clown right now. I'm not going to be on social media natural. So yeah. I am so excited because I haven't goalie trained in a long time. It feels like forever. So yeah. I straightened my hair like 2 days ago. Day 2. I'm just ranting, honestly. I'll get into the video and I'm going to leave in like 20 minutes. So I'm just going to wait here, bored, because they moved my practice back. Bye guys. I'm just gonna apologize right now for how nastily bright that shot was. That intro was probably the brightest intro I've ever filmed. Goals. And I look disgusting. So, sorry about that. Just telling you guys. Bye.
Your body drives me out of my mind. Think I'm crazy, well maybe you're right. Spend the night with me, everything goes. Want to fucking get out of these clothes. Alright, I'm gonna treat you right. Alright, I'm gonna treat you right. Want your body, your heart and your mind. Gonna see just how crazy inside. Just be patient, now I'm in control. I want it, want it, want it, want it. I want your soul.
I know he's. All right, boys. Thank you. Bring it in. Let's go. Hello, Aaron. Ah, you. Where's my little high five? Good job. Bring it in, boys. Let's go.
Bye guys, that was practice. Hey guys, I'm back and we had some Chipotle, which was really good. Actually no, I have it all the time, so it was alright. But yeah, I finished practice and I changed out of my goalie stuff because I was so sweaty and nobody wants back acne. Hacks. Change. Yeah, so yeah, that was really fun. I'm holding my tripod, so sorry if it's wiggly. Get over it. Just kidding. So yeah, that was really fun. I really liked today because I don't know, I felt like I did pretty good. I'm not gonna talk about it, but I don't know, I just had kind of like a little panic attack, I guess. It was kind of scary. I don't know, I don't really want to explain it because, you know, but yeah. I just kind of like had, like, towards the end of practice, I saw something that really scared me. And I was just like, I couldn't focus at all. Like, I just kept on looking and stuff, and it was like, I don't know, I just felt like sick. And I couldn't really like be on my game because I was really on my game before that. But yeah, so hopefully next week no interruptions will come, nothing like that. And yeah, so yeah, it was pretty good. I look terrible from this angle, but who cares? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know who wanted to watch this because it doesn't really matter, but yeah, I hope you guys have a great day and like and subscribe, because if you liked how I played, like and subscribe. If you didn't, comment down below. Just kidding, no hate, don't hate on a girl. I said I wasn't that good. But yeah, if you comment down below that I suck, I'll try to be better. Just kidding. Yeah. Bye.